If you have tried a dozen pillows and still wake up with neck pain, here is one that actually adjusts to you. This is the Uttu Pillow. It is taller on one side than the other. It is literally like a sandwich. So in the back here, you will open this up with this zipper, and I'm going to show you there are 3 layers of the memory foam inside. It is like it just came sliced in 3 slices, all still keeping that same curvature of the pillow. And they recommend for you to sleep with it for a night or two. If you want to adjust your height to be shorter, take out this middle foam, memory foam layer. And speaking of that, look at it. You just squeeze it and it pops right back into shape. Now I'm going to tell you what I had to do and what worked for me and the things that I do and don't like about the pillow. So first, what I really love about this pillow, the first thing I loved about it was how lightweight it was. I didn't realize that that is what was missing for me with the other pillows that I had until I got this one. I just assumed that all of these memory foam pillows were all just heavy. This one is not. You see that? I can just toss it up and it is a light, it's just a light pillow. It's not heavy. The other pillows like this, they just feel like heavy bricks. This pillow weighs exactly 2 pounds, 8 ounces. I know that not because I weighed it, but it actually says so right back here on the tag. Now, other features about this pillow that I really like. You see here how it's taller on this side than this side. That is so you can choose the height that works best for you when you are sleeping. You may like a higher pillow and a higher curvature, or you may like the lower side. I can tell you the first night I had it, I started off with the higher side because I was laying on my back watching the television here in my room, which is on this wall. And my bed, as you see, the head of it is here. So I'm laying on my back with my TV right in front of me. I loved that higher side. It felt so great on my neck because it just pushed up into my neck and it gave me higher elevation. As I went to sleep, I'm not a back sleeper. I'm a side sleeper. I found the tall side a bit too tall. When I rotated it around to the lower side, that was perfect for me to go to sleep. And I like putting my arms under a pillow. That's where I really appreciated how light this was. It felt like just a standard pillow in the fact that it was not too heavy on top of my arms when I was ready to put my arms underneath the pillow. Now, I will say, by the time it was the middle of the night, I started feeling like this was too tall for me. So I removed the middle insert out the second night to give that a try. That allowed me to sleep with this pillow for the remainder of the night. And I just love, again, that it's easy to squish, it folds, it is light, and ultimately, probably one of my favorite features of all is I get hot at night. I am just a hot sleeper. And I live in a climate where it is over 100 degrees in the summer. This pillow does not get hot. I didn't feel hot on my head. I didn't feel hot on my neck. It stayed cool. And I absolutely loved that about this pillow. So if you're ready to stop waking up sore, hot, with neck pain, I really encourage you to give this pillow a try.